Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. The verb. A verb says something about a person or thing. It shows action and describes condition. Perfect the country to glorify your present and past. Imagine then what you will be when others greet you in love and fear. Note the verbs perfect, glorify, imagine, will, and be. The verb is the chief of the sentence that controls and governs it with the assistance of his ministers that are the noun, articles, pronoun, adjective, preposition, conjunction, adverb, and interjections. The verb has to work in unison with them for a smooth rule and fluent administration. Let us make all these work in coordination for our success as writers. A verb describes the action or condition of the subject, agent, or object of a sentence or clause. It tells about the subject or object. A verb is an action word as much as it is descriptive of condition. The people should elect suitable leaders for the assemblies. Elect transitive verb. We had a horse race and then we slept. Slept intransitive verb. Three kinds of verbs. Transitive verbs. These are verbs which require an object. Active voice. The politicians damaged the country. Transitive verb. Damaged object the country. Passive voice. The country was damaged by the politicians. Active voice. The circumstances sank us into ignorance and poverty. Passive voice. We were sunk into ignorance and poverty by these circumstances. Intransitive verbs. These are verbs which do not require an object. They cried or they cried when they heard the news. She speaks attractively. They are loitering, standing purposelessly at street corners. She is daydreaming. The crops are dying for want of water. We sank into ignorance and poverty. Note: there are verbs that can be used in the transitive as well as in the intransitive form. We play here, intransitive. We play hockey, transitive. We do not eat much. Intransitive. Do you like to eat roasted chicken? Transitive. Auxiliary verbs. These are helping verbs. They help the main verbs and complete their meaning. These also function as linking verbs when they connect a noun or a pronoun with other words. Such verbs are forms of be, that is, do, have, am, is, being, are, was, were, has, had. She has written a letter. We have completed our journey. The work is being completed. There are the modal auxiliaries or modals which are used with another main verb to express possibility, permission, duty, promise, etc. Can, could, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, would, dare, need, used to. Last year, they could not marry, but now they can. He said that he might visit Kafristan next month. We ought to walk and play every afternoon. They used to climb mountains, but now they sail over long distances. The helping verbs function as main verbs when they express the main condition. We had ate our lunch an hour ago. She had got her education in London. Did you watch the match? Yes, I did watched it. If you like the video, Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon. Comment below for your suggestions. Moreover, like and share our video with your friends. Thanks for watching.